Now that we understand variables and how to declare them using var, let, and const, let's move on to the next topic, data types. In JavaScript, different variables can store different kinds of values. These values have different data types. So let's understand the basic primitive data types in JavaScript with simple examples. So let's understand what are primitive data types. JavaScript has 7 primitive data types: string, text, number, integers and decimals, boolean, true, false, undefined, a variable, declared but not assigned, null, and intentional, absence of value, symbol, a unique identifier, and bigint, very large integers. हम इन्हें एक एक करके एग्जाम्पल्स के साथ समझेंगे. Let's see through some examples. Firstly, we will see the most commonly used data types, string and number. A string is used to store text. यहाँ Learntagus एक string है because it is written inside quotes, and a number is used to store numeric values. यहाँ 20 एक number है. Next we have boolean, undefined and null. बूलियन सिर्फ दो वैल्यूज रिप्रेजेंट करता है, ट्रू और फॉल्स. यहाँ इस लॉग्ड इन की वैल्यू ट्रू है. अनडिफाइंड तब होता है जब वेरिएबल डिक्लेयर किया गया हो लेकिन उससे कोई वैल्यू असाइन ना की गई हो. और नल का यूज़ इंटेंशनली नो वैल्यू रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए किया जाता है. A symbol is used to create a unique identifier, and bigint is used when we need to work with very large integer values. For now, just remember what they are. We will explore their practical use when needed. Now let's put some of these data types together in one example. Here, text stores a string, count stores a number, isActive stores a boolean, noSet is undefined, and empty contains null. So the type of value we store determines the data type of that value. So we can see that JavaScript allows us to store different types of values in variables. But how can we check what type of value a variable contains? For that, JavaScript provides the type of operator. So we will see the type of operator in next lecture.